There are four fundamental forces that govern everything: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong, and the weak nuclear force. Gravity is the weakest, but it controls everything from falling apples to the orbits of planets. Electromagnetism governs light, electricity, and magnetic fields. The strong nuclear force holds protons and neutrons together in the nucleus, and the weak nuclear force is behind radioactive decay. These forces shape everything in the universe, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. Did you know that?